Well, this is something a little bit different than the usual. It's an Artron Products LED-LE-EL1. It's quite simple. It's just basically an LED that tells you not to use the elevator if it's on. Whether or not this is really a notification appliance like I usually do, not really. I see this more of a fire alarm accessory in a way. Not only do I see this as fire alarm related, but I also see this as elevator related too. In fact, I kind of consider this one of my only elevator parts, oddly enough. Now, it's quite simple. If that light is blinking up there, it tells you not to use the elevator. Now, is there anything else with this thing? Not really. It's just the light and the faceplate. Now, I'm going to bring it over to the back. See, this is really just it. There's the circuit board right here with your terminals, and then there's your LED. There it is right there. And you can see some circuitry in there. It's surprising, there's really not much to it. Oops. There we go. Alright, let's test this thing. Now for the purposes of this video, let's just assume it's hooked up to the fire alarm control panel. The reason I kind of think it would be done this way is because it has a 24 volt DC input, at least according to the markings on the back. Now, I don't know exactly if this would be wired into the elevator somehow, like let's say if it goes into fire service somehow, but more than likely it would be tied into the fire alarm system. There isn't a whole heck of a lot of documentation for this thing, so I don't know for sure. So anyways, let's test it. 3, 2, 1. There it is blinking. I never thought I would be doing this. Let's turn off the lights, as this is visual related. I might as well do that. Let's shut off this light. I never thought it was that complex. Now going on with our theme that the LED thing could very well be hooked up to the fire alarm control panel, to simulate that, I have a pull station to activate it. I haven't used this thing in a while. It's my Simplex 2099-9756. It's the dual action conventional pull station. There's not too much I could say. You've probably seen it a few times before. But anyways, it's here. Let's pull it. Now just to clarify, I think the light would be hooked up to one of the relays of the panel or some kind of auxiliary circuit. I'm not too sure. Alright, let's reset it. Oops. Now, let's open it. And there's that. Give me a second. Let's close it. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video of my Artron Products LED-LE-EL1. Now, it's not only a fire alarm part, but I also consider it an elevator part in some ways as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe look out for a few future videos, maybe pairing it with a strobe or something. I'm not too sure yet. That would be kind of cool. I'm not making any promises, by the way. But anyways, for now, that'll be it.